1, 2 and 3. So this value 1 जो हमारा specialization है stand for population, and the value 2 stands for urban geography, and value 3 stands for the environment. We set it as okay. Now once we go to the data view, we find that 1, 2 and 3 are converted into population. It is not actually converted, it has been labeled. You can also see 1 and 2. You click this A1, label data, right? This one. So in case of ANOVA, we basically compare means. We are comparing ANOVA t-test में हम लोग means को compare करते हैं. So compare means, it is one way ANOVA. Dependent list is our specialization. Our dissertation marks, and specialization is our factor. अब ये बात हो गई. This will produce a result कि भाई आप गलत बोल रहे हो, सही बोल रहे हो. हम लोग स्पेशलाइजेशन के बेसिस पे कोई मार्क्स डिफरेंशिएशन नहीं होता है, बस इतनी दूर तक हम कह सकते हैं. लेकिन अगर डिफरेंशिएशन हुआ तो किन सब्जेक्ट्स में होता है, किन दो पर्टिकुलर स्पेशलाइजेशन में कॉन्ट्रास्ट देखने को मिलता है, उसके लिए हमें करना पड़ता है पोस्ट हॉक टेस्ट. और बेसिकली वी डू द टकी टेस्ट, AIU-AADC टकी टेस्ट. So once it is done, we click OK. The SPSS produces a result which says that our significance is 0.01. This significance value ideally should be below 0.05. 0.05 means 5%. 0.001 means 0.1%. That अगर आप जो रिजल्ट में बोलने वाला हूँ उसको अगर आप एक्सेप्ट करते हो, then it is sure that you are making 99.99% accurate inference or conclusion. तो हमारे यहाँ क्या है, हमारे यहाँ significance ये है. So this is the significance. तो हमारा जो ANOVA था, ANOVA में what was our this t-test मैंने नहीं दिखाया, hypothesis नहीं दिखाया. तो what was our hypothesis? That there doesn't exist any difference of null is कि कोई difference नहीं, सब बराबर है. But the alternative is no, there exists a difference. But since the significance value is less than 0.05, we will reject the null hypothesis and accept the alternative hypothesis, which says कि हाँ भैया, there is a difference. डिफरेंस तो है मार्क्स, लेकिन किस में है? पोस्ट हॉक टेस्ट अगर हम नहीं करते, इफ यू हैड नॉट डन द पोस्ट हॉक टेस्ट, हमें पता ही नहीं चलता. पोस्ट हॉक टेस्ट में सबसे सिंपल है टू फाइंड द सिग्निफिकेंस. जहां भी देखना है इन SPSS, एनीवेयर, लुक फॉर द सिग्निफिकेंस कॉलम फर्स्ट. इफ द वैल्यू इज 0.05, फिर ना बाएं देखने की जरूरत है ना दाएं, सिंपली एक्सेप्ट द नल हाइपोथेसिस. लेकिन ये वैल्यू 0.05 के नीचे है, तो किसके साथ है? This is for the urban in comparison to population. That means जो urban geography और population geography को specialization लिए हैं बच्चे, उनके dissertation marks में difference exist करता है. There is a difference. There exists a difference. SPSS gives us this opportunity. I thought of also showing the NFHS data. मैं एक बार दिखाई देता हूँ without further showing the what else we can do. Let me show you the NFHS data. This is the NFHS 5 data. such a large data set, such a large data set. To administer this large data set, it is not possible for Excel or any other simple software to work. Excel cannot work. देखिए क्यों मैं कहता हूँ, see the variable view, see the value levels, see the value levels, see this household selected, household non-selected, flush toilets, the variables. There are so many categories. You cannot feed categories name. अगर आप Excel में categories name feed करते हैं, you cannot use in any statistical software. You need to code this. इसको codify करना पड़ता है. And how you are codifying this? Like this. You are codifying. You are saying, instructing SPSS in variable view कि भैया अगर value 10 है, तो इसका मतलब वो flush toilet use करते हैं. अगर 11 है, तो flush तो है, उसके साथ पाइप सुअर सिस्टम भी लगा हुआ है. 12 है तो फ्लश के साथ सेप्टिक टैंक. This large data set can be coded, can be codified in SPSS only possible in SPSS. So without further going into the details of the utility of the SPSS, let me go to the very interesting software, which is R. R is my favorite. Very favorite. These are the codes we write. This complete interface is R Studio, which gives R is the base, and this R Studio is the interface that allows us to work. Very interesting. Let me interesting results. Some of our studies which we have already done. Okay, so let us end this. Inform the people like you. This study was done by one of my colleagues. What she did, she watched the movie People Life, very, very famous movie, and noted down the points or the words or the phrases that can be used in the classroom to teach geography or aspects of geography, regional geography, population geography, and compared it with the number of times it has been used. What is the total number of times it has been used? And he asked, let us prepare a scatter plot. We could easily plot a scatter plot if you have the data. This was spoken for 20 seconds cumulatively. This was spoken for 25 seconds. We could have easily plotted. But I said that why not use R to make things more interactive? And we together wrote this code in R, very, very small code in R. And before that, let me import the data set from here, from Excel. Keep it to it, we import the data set. So this is the data set, the total time, the person, the repetition time. Simple data set. कोई भी बना सकता है scatter plot in Excel, very easy. But what we did, we wrote an R and produced the libraries. You need to have libraries before using this view run. When we run things like this or a code like this, we produce something like this, which is very difficult and not at all possible in things like Excel. This is the regression line. This is the total time. This is the repeated time in seconds, and these are the topics that were of concern in the prelim. So this has increased over time. It is mostly focused on regional planning and development. With this as YC, this R square, not going into the technicalities. And this band is the standard deviation band. This data mostly flickered around this band, very much consistent with the line, very much in tune with the mean of the data set. Right. So we produce something like this. On the other hand, Uh, let me show you how Kalimpong dataset was also prepared. Kalimpong. This Kalimpong